And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm gonna show you a delicious sauteed spinach recipe. It's pretty simple. All you need is spinach. I have garlic, I have a lemon, salt, pepper, and also I have olive oil. So what you'll need is you're gonna take the garlic cloves, or you could just use chopped garlic, but what I like to do is just push down onto the clove to break it. And we're going to use at least 3 cloves of garlic. And how you go and take it out is you take the garlic itself, you take your knife, and you just push down right onto it. And now the outside of the garlic, you just pull out so easily. Okay, so we have our garlic like so. So we're gonna take our knife, we're gonna push down, and then we're gonna basically push down onto the knife, like so. And now it cracks the garlic in half. And that's an easy way to get that little shell or off of it. So we're gonna do that to the others real quick. And then we're going to give our garlic a chop. Just a rough chop. So, nothing too crazy. Like so. So what we're going to do is, I have a pan heating up right now, and we're going to add the olive oil onto it, and then we're going to cook the garlic until it gets a little bit golden. And then we're going to add our spinach. Okay, I have a pan on right now. It's on medium to low heat. We're going to add our olive oil to our pan. We're going to add our garlic. So we're going to let it basically get into a golden color. And once it gets to a golden color, we're going to add our spinach. So. Yeah, garlic and spinach always, it's a good pairing for each other. So, okay, pretty much our garlic is almost there. Just 30 more seconds to it. And then we're going to add our spinach. So the spinach I have is already pre-washed and dried. So, okay, it looks like it's ready to go. So we're going to add our spinach, our fresh spinach. So I have 8 ounces of spinach, and we're going to let it cook down, and then we're going to add the rest of the spinach. So basically I just added 4 ounces of spinach here. So. And I like to cook it with tongs. And what I like to do is actually take the tongs and take the spinach and basically just wipe the bottom of the pan. So it takes up any maillard or golden coloring from the garlic and fuses it into the spinach. Now, it's going to wilt, and that's pretty much what we're looking for while we're sauteing the spinach. So that 8 ounces of spinach is going to look really small, especially after it wilts. So we're going to add the rest of our spinach. Now I like to move it around. That's why I like the tongs. Now, I like sauteed spinach, especially with fish. So I like to add or have the spinach down and then put the fish right on top. It actually pairs well with salmon or even cod. So, okay, so once you get to this point, this is when I like to season it with salt and pepper. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Now, right at the end, a little bit of lemon juice. Now, I like to cut a little side of the lemon and then squeeze it into the spinach. Let's mix it up. And then there you have it. You have our spinach. But let's taste it for seasoning because it may need a little bit more lemon juice or salt. So let's taste it. Tiny bit more salt. And taste it one more time. A little bit. And there you have it. That's beautiful. Let's take it off the heat and plate it. Okay, we're going to plate our spinach. So we're going to take it from our can. As you can see, all that spinach basically shrunk down into this little portion. So basically that's good for like 2 servings for 2. Okay, let's try our spinach. So spinach and garlic right here. That's really good. It's nice, refreshing. You have the taste of the garlic. You have the freshness of the lemon juice. So this would pair beautifully with fish. So if you'd like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn. Thank you.